Gillman Honda went through a turbocharged makeover, waving goodbye to the old showroom and saying hello to a temporary sales spot. Despite some bumps in the road, the dream team stayed laser-focused on selling cars and hitting targets. Each day was like watching a time-lapse video as workers transformed the old space into some state-of-the-art. The temporary showroom turned into a buzzing hive of excitement and innovation, delivering top-tier service to all the clients looking for wheels. It's like getting a sneak peek of the future dealership as it starts to sprout up. Get ready to pop the confetti because the grand opening of the new high-tech facility is coming soon, marking a big win for hard work and a bright road ahead for all the folks in Houston. Be part of the story and visit us at Gillman Honda Houston.